The Shiva Lingam is one of the most iconic symbols of Shiva, often misunderstood as well as a symbol full of meaning and power. The Shiva Lingam is found everywhere in nature, in space, and in every particle. Shiva is, after all, vibration, energy, the universe. Shiva Lingam consists of three parts. The bottom part, which is four-sided, remains underground. The middle part, which is eight-sided, remains on a pedestal. The top part, which is actually worshipped, is round. The height of the round part is 1/3 of its circumference. The three parts symbolize Brahma at the bottom, Vishnu in the middle, and Shiva on the top. The pedestal is provided with a passage for draining away the water that is poured on the top. The lingam symbolizes both the creative and destructive power of Lord Shiva, and great sanctity is attached to it by the devotees. Shiva Lingam represents the totality of the cosmos, and the cosmos, in turn, being represented as a cosmic egg. A glance at the image of Shiva Lingam shows there is a pillar with three marks and a disc beneath it, and sometimes with a calling cobra snake around the pillar and shows its fangs above the pillar. Base of the linga is called Peetham, and called cobra snake represents the Kundalini, Shakti or feminine principle of the divinity whom we refer as Mother Goddess. Three rows on pillar represents Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, different aspects of the divinity. When unmanifest energy begins to manifest itself, the first form is always the linga. Linga means a perfect ellipsoid. The first form and the final form before dissolution is a linga. If you become meditative, your energies will naturally take the form of a linga. Thus, linga means the place of dissolution for the world and all beings. The lingam also signifies Satya, Janana and Ananta, truth, knowledge and infinity. It indicates that Lord Shiva is endowed with all-pervading and self-luminous nature. The Shiva Linga is often a pillar of light. In special Vedic fire rituals, the fire could be made to rise in the shape of a pillar, which could also then take the shape of a person. The term dharma originally refers to what upholds things and can be symbolized by a pillar. The Shiva Linga is the universal pillar of dharma. In Vedic astrology, the Shiva Linga represents the power of light behind the sun, moon, planets and stars. In Vastu Shastra, the Shiva Linga is used to stabilize the spiritual and vital energy in a house as a conduit of cosmic forces. Shiva Lingam is considered to be an atom model. There is radiation from lingam as it is made out of a type of granite stone. Granite is a source of radiation and reported to have higher radioactivity, thereby raising some concerns about their safety. Granite is said to have formed as lava or molten rock cooled and solidified over thousands or even millions of years, contain naturally occurring radioactive elements like radium, uranium and thorium. Lingam is additionally found in Sanskrit texts with the meaning of evidence, proof of God and God's existence. The Shiva Lingam also represents one important philosophy of Shaivism, that God is both form and formless. The formless aspect of Shiva, represented by the lingam, shows no gender, color, or race. It is, in fact, a representation of the universe. The lingam, therefore, tells us: 1. Lord Shiva is the universe. 2. Lord Shiva is vibration. 3. Lord Shiva is energy. 4. Lord Shiva is within us.